If you're looking to implement tiered commission models on PartnerStack, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, we'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step and help you maximize your partner network. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to fine-tune your setup, stick around to get the most out of this feature. By the end of the video, you'll understand how tiered commissions can help motivate your partners and drive more results for your business. Before we jump in, just a quick note. You can get PartnerStack for free through the first link below, and if you sign up, you'll get exclusive bonuses to kickstart your journey, so be sure to check that out. Now let's dive into how you can implement tiered commission models on PartnerStack. Tiered commissions are a fantastic way to reward your partners for bringing in more business. The more sales they generate, the higher the commission percentage they can earn. It's a great way to incentivize growth. First, when you log into PartnerStack, head over to the Program Settings section. Under the Commissions tab, you'll see the option to set up commission structures for your partners. To implement tiered commissions, you'll select Tiered as your commission type. Next, you'll need to define the tiers. PartnerStack allows you to create multiple levels, which means you can set different commission rates for each tier based on the sales volume your partners generate. For example, if a partner makes $1,000 in sales, they might earn a 10% commission, but if they hit $5,000, they could earn 15%. This creates a powerful incentive for your partners to push harder and increase their sales. Once you've defined the tiers, you can set the specific rules for each. You can determine the amount of sales needed to reach each tier and how the commissions scale up as your partners achieve higher sales milestones. The flexibility here is key. You can set it up to suit your business model. It's also important to consider how long these tiers last. You can structure commissions to be recurring or one-time payouts, depending on the type of product or service you offer. For example, if you're running a SaaS business, a recurring commission structure might work best, while one-time commissions could apply to products with shorter sales cycles. One of the best features of PartnerStack is how easy it makes it to manage and adjust these commission structures. As your business grows, you can tweak the tiers to reflect changes in your goals or the performance of your partners. PartnerStack's dashboard also lets you track progress in real time, so you can see which partners are hitting their targets and who might need extra support to reach the next level. Another key aspect of implementing tiered commissions is communication with your partners. Make sure you clearly explain the structure and what they need to do to hit the higher tiers. You can use PartnerStack's communication tools to send messages directly to your partners, updating them on their progress, and offering incentives for hitting new milestones. Don't forget that PartnerStack also allows for different commission models for different partner types. So if you work with affiliates, resellers, or other types of partners, you can set up distinct commission rules for each. This level of customization is one of the reasons PartnerStack is such a powerful tool for managing partner networks. And now, for the best part, PartnerStack is offering a free trial, and if you sign up through the link below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial. That's a great way to explore the platform and see firsthand how it can help you grow your partner ecosystem with tiered commissions. To wrap up, implementing tiered commissions on PartnerStack is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your partner relationships and business results. It's a win-win. Your partners are incentivized to sell more, and your business grows faster. Make sure to check out the link below for that exclusive offer and start building your partner network today. Thanks for watching.